Hello viewers, today I'm trying to check the thickness of my rotors. So every rotor has its service limit, and that's a thickness beyond which you shouldn't resurface. You should actually replace the rotor. And why am I doing this? So I am getting some vibration at high speed, which I've tried to balance the tires a couple of times, but that hasn't sorted that out. So one of the things that could also cause this is out of round rotors or warped rotors. So one of the ways of fixing warped rotors is to, instead of buying a new one, instead of getting a new one, you could resurface it. I had done that before, and that actually fixed the vibration I was having at the time. So now I would want to see if I'm still within, if I still have some allowance to do another resurfacing or just to get another rotor. And you simply need, this is all you need, vernier caliper or an adjustable wrench that has, readings on it. Yeah. So for this one, this side is in inches and this side is in millimeters. So the service limit for the 4-cylinder 2003 to 2007 Accord is 21 millimeters. So if the thickness of the rotor is less than that, then you would simply replace. Yeah. So or if you notice that even if it's not less than that, but if what would need to be shaved off, and typically a lot of this resurfacing, the guys that do resurfacing would take out 1 millimeter from this side and another on the other side. So if you find out that you don't have enough room to do that, then the rotor should be replaced. And as you can see, I've already taken out the tire, which is the first step, obviously. So I'll just take a reading of this, go to the max length and or max width, I should say, and then come back down. This seems to be, so it should just slightly graze the edge. So that's it. And at this, what I have is so that's 22. Yeah, so I think I'm in the market for a new rotor. Yeah. So because I don't think they'll be able to shave off by the time they shave off whatever they need to shave off, I would go beyond the service limit. So that's it. Thank you very much. Very short video, but I hope it was helpful. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, and thank you very much. Cheers.